In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add approvals to custom workflows in Wrike. We'll walk through a simple, practical example, so by the end you'll know exactly how to take any task in Wrike and attach a formal approval process to it. This is really useful when you need sign-off from a manager, a client, or any stakeholder before work can move forward. First, make sure you're logged into your Wrike workspace and that you've opened the relevant space or project where your tasks live. On your screen, you should see a list or table of tasks. To get started, click on a task that you want to put under approval. When you click on the task, Wrike will open its detailed view on the right side or in a separate panel, depending on your layout. Here you can usually see the task title, description, assignees, dates, and other task-related information. Take a second to confirm this is the correct task, because whatever approval you add will be tied to this specific item. If you picked the wrong task, simply close it and select the correct one from your list. With the task panel open, look for the option that allows you to manage approvals. In the task view, you'll see an option labeled Add Approval. This is Wrike's built-in feature for creating a structured approval flow on that task. Go ahead and click on Add Approval. As soon as you click it, Wrike will prompt you to configure the approval details. Depending on your workspace setup, you may be able to choose who the approvers are, set due dates for the approval, and add any notes or context they need to review the work properly. Even though this guide focuses specifically on adding the approval, it's a good practice to use clear titles and descriptions so approvers understand exactly what they're being asked to approve. After you've clicked Add Approval, Wrike will attach an approval section to that task. From now on, you and your team can track whether the work is pending review, approved, or needs changes all in one place. This helps keep your custom workflows consistent because each time the task reaches a certain status, there's a clear, visible approval step that everyone can see. So to recap, you simply open the task you want to control and then click Add Approval to attach a formal review process. Once this is in place, your custom workflow in Wrike becomes much more reliable, giving you clear sign-off and better accountability on every important task.